This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? We are now at eCarExpo in Norway, and I'm going to show you. This is the world's fastest charging EV. It's Zeekr 0X. I'm going to do an interior review. Unfortunately, we cannot test it yet. There will be test drives coming later this year, and then eventually we'll be able to test it on Norwegian roads. But okay, how is this car interior-wise? You know, it's 4.8 meters long. It's roughly the same size as Model Y and Audi Q6 e-tron, so it's going to be a strong competitor, but it charges blistering fast. So let me show you. To open the doors, many people, they were like, you don't open the door like that, you open the door here. And here. Yeah, okay, so let's start in the front here. We have lots of controls here. Here you can electronically adjust the, well, you know, I usually call it the breadcrumb collector, but here it doesn't actually collect any breadcrumbs because it rolls out like this. It doesn't have that. Lots of adjustment. Ventilated seat, and immediately when I sat down here earlier when I just tried, I noticed that it has comfortable seats. Wow, nice and soft. Okay, and then here, you can do this if you want to close the door. Press the brake. Wait, let me check something here. Many cars, they use this control. It doesn't go this, it goes forward, backwards, just like Neo, just like the other Zeekr I tried. But it has a weird reverse way. You push it forward to go down, and then you push it against you to go up, which is weird. And there is this weird lag. You see that? Why is there a lag? Maybe there's just the slow canvas system, or I don't know. But that is weird. When you do something like this, you want instant reaction from the system. Yeah, but okay, whatever, I'm gonna check here. It doesn't have double glazed windows. It has a child safety, right? Okay, that didn't hurt at all. This car, the Zeekr 7X, does not have Yamaha speaker. They have their own speaker sound system. And then if you want to adjust the steering wheel, you go here in the car, and then you go to vehicle, steering wheel, and then you do this. It also kind of slow-ish when it reacts. It's not instant. You see, when you do this, in other cars, it's more instant when you do this. But okay, I'm not sure what's up with the lag. I've seen this before in some other cars, but it's nice and spacious here. We actually have 2 charging pads here. That's nice. Many cars, they have 2 pads. They have reserved the space, but they don't have a second charging pad here. And let me listen here. It has some ventilation. Okay. And then here we have, cup holder. Then we can do this. We have a quite large center console area here. And you can open this 2 ways. And then here, let me see, I had to go out of the car again. Oh yeah, when you open the door, you press this button here. And then it just opens. So I'll show you here. We have USB-C, 2 of them there. And this is I call it the bridge design. Space there. And then if I enter again, close it. Yeah, more or less common, you know, you have some kind of LED ambient light here. But what I heard from Zeekr, there is no glove box. And that's the same case here. There is actually no glove box there. Yeah, that was the case also in Zeekr X we have over there. No glove box. And then, okay, this is nice. You see the camera there? Sending data to China. not sending data to China. You can choose whether you want to have this camera on or off. Huh? Okay, now it became dark. Okay, we check the rest here. Mirror with, okay, standard stuff. You have handle here, you have the handle there, you have actually handle on all 4 sides. Nice. And you can see that the rear window is slightly tinted versus the front. And headroom, I adjusted the seat all the way down now. It's just massive. I'm 173 centimeter. I have roughly 2 fists of headroom here. Plenty of headroom, plenty of space. Wow. You know, when I look at this, I look at the interior. You can even see it yourself. I can feel on the material here. The prices has been announced. It costs a little bit over 500,000 NOK. And okay, this is coming from Teslabjorn. You know, the whole Elon Musk, whatever. You know, Teslabjorn started a decade ago, but I like Tesla. They make great cars, but interior-wise, I feel like this is nicer to touch. Yeah, I'm just being honest. I mean, Tesla interior is quite nice, but here seems like you get a little bit better. Yeah, sure. Feels hot now because temperature has been going up. Let me just lower it. Okay, sync. There you go. All right, but let's check out the back. Look there. Okay, in the back there's actually window blinds. So if you go here to vehicle, you go to doors and windows. And okay, it's a bit weird, lost in translation. It says, okay, but it's just the status right now. Look. Oh! So it's actually pulled up by a rod. You see, charge port is here. There's a button there, so you push it hard enough, you trigger this button. And this car is actually EU spec, so it has a CCS too. So you know, I need to mention the battery sizes. The lower price car comes with 75 kilowatt hour battery, and the bigger battery is 100 kilowatt hour, but the 75 kilowatt hour is LFP. The bigger battery is 100 kilowatt hour NMC, and they both charge at blistering fast speeds. In Europe, they claim 360 kilowatt, but in China, you guys have seen over 430 kilowatts in both cars. And actually, the smaller battery charges to 80% faster in shorter time than the big battery. So I suspect that they charge at roughly the same kilowatt, you know. But in Europe, because we don't simply have those kind of chargers available that can deliver over 400 kilowatt, then that's why the charging time has been supplied to be 13 minutes, not 9.5 minutes that have in China. But here, look. I get in the way, it actually detects me. And then let's try something else. How child safe is this? Okay, that didn't hurt at all. It might just scare off Isabel if this happened. If it's happened to squeeze a child in here, but she's not going to be hurt at least. Maybe just butt hurt. I'm just kidding. Here we have adjustment. Wait, this is like Tesla, kind of.
That's actually not one of the ones that we do.
Oh, okay, no, it's okay. You use this only to tilt up and down. You don't use this to fold, but it can tilt. That is the most upright position, and then that is the most down position there. Okay, now let's try. In the most laid back position, plenty of headroom. Wait, I recently tested Model Y. This is even better than Model Y. What about if you have to go more upright because of cargo? Wait, oh, come on. Because of cargo in the front. Then let's test most upright position. Still plenty. I actually feel like we have more headroom here than in the Model Y. And then here we have a center console, folded down like this. We have a little table here, and look, we have USB-A and USB-C within the table. And you also have a little storage here. And also, very important for Norwegians, we have ski opening. How is this again? Okay, yeah, that. It is not that large though, if that matters. Yeah, I'm not sure how big it is. You can't follow down the whole thing. But let me check something else here. Middle seat. Still pretty good headroom, even for the middle seat. Wow. And then here, I want to try now. If a kid tampers this, will it break? Like pulls this. It's held by this center spring string here. It seems to be quite sturdy. Yeah. We need to try to break this car now. It is a production car. And then here is also the opening. And you can also open and close the door from the center screen. And then, oh yeah, when you open it, it actually goes down. But then, does it come up automatically when you close it? It should, right? It should remember the state. It didn't. Okay, whatever. But look here, we have air vents here. Nice, nice. Air vents, okay. And then actually a little coat hook there. This is for securing cargo. This seems to be microphones. Nice panorama roof where you can also close it. Let me try here. So it gives you the option to have nice headroom like a Model Y, but you can also close this. Model Y doesn't have this feature. Wow. Door pockets here. Little pocket there. I'm not sure what this is. Try to pull. It's like a handle there. Yeah, sorry. As usual, I don't have too much preparation time. I spent around 5-10 minutes prior shooting this video just to learn and get a little bit into what this is all about. Oh, look! Oh, it has a nice LED there. So the button for the trunk is there. And then here, if you open it, you can tuck away the parcel shelf there. And so how do you take it out? Is it easy to pull it out? Okay, like that, yeah. So you put the parcel shelf there. Another, okay, and then you can take out that, and you can open up. Can we remove that? Try to. Okay, we have to close the ski opening now and take out both, just to give you an idea. And then if you also take out this, so if you want to open up for maximum space, you get this. So there's a well here for storing cargo. This thing here is kind of in the way because it holds up the cargo, right? But it should also mean that it can take significant load. But if I would guess how many banana boxes could it take, I would say 8 based on the size here. We have speakers on both sides here. Probably a smaller subwoofer. 12-watt outlet is here, 180 watt. We have light there, light like this also. We have hooks, you can. Oh, it's spring-loaded. Yeah, quite sturdy metal hooks. 4 points there for securing cargo in the back. And then let me see. It seems like in order to fold the seats, you have this pull thing here. Here. So you just go over here and you pull it, and then you have to take out this part, and it becomes like this. And if you can pull, okay. If you can take this, yeah, on that side, we can see now how flat it goes. I mean, it's relatively flat. Yeah, plenty of space, seems like. And then if I close this again, and then the light should come on. Yeah, there. Yeah, so it has, many cars, they have this LED strip here, continuous LED strip. But it's direct, unlike the Model Y. Yeah, I mentioned Model Y a lot because it's a competitor. But maybe I should also mention the Q6 e-tron. But let's see what happens if I just push it. Oh, okay. Then it also closes. But does it work like soft close? Actually, it doesn't matter. Actually. But let's check out now the Frunk. So in order to open the Frunk, you have to go to the screen, I think. There is no handle to open the Frunk. Yeah, so my little assistant here, he goes to the screen. Oh, actually, he's bigger than me. There, all right. And the Frunk is quite large. From what I remember, it was 66 liters. I don't have Isabel with me right now because she's in the kindergarten, but you can see how big it is. So, well, actually, from what I remember now, it's smaller than Model Y, but it's larger than most other Frunks. So it could almost fit a banana box. It depends how you see it, but it is big enough to fit typical luggage or cables or 2 backpacks or whatever. Okay, it's over here, the washer fluid refill, and it has adaptive headlights. Doesn't have any headlight washer, and also lots of cameras. And this seems to be a louver for opening up when it needs more cooling. it better have good cooling, but it can take all that speed, that charging speed. So I don't know which variant this is, but yeah, when it comes to the battery size. Okay, thank you. And then to close it, just put in the cable there again, and then yeah, that's similar to Tesla. You can't slam it because it has that the strut to hold it up. And then I see some cameras over there. So unlike many Chinese cars, this car doesn't have LiDAR. You know, fun fact, LiDAR in the Volvo EX30, someone filmed the LiDAR when it was active, and it actually destroyed the camera because there's very high focused laser, you know, that you cannot see, that actually went right into the sensor of the camera and destroyed it. So maybe LiDAR is not always a good thing, right? So I will just walk around, take a look. Well, you know, I have to say, man, like, I'm going to try this side also. Zeekr sound. I'm actually quite impressed. Okay, I might laugh at Zeekr when it comes to software. They are improving like most Chinese brands, but I'm really impressed of how they have built this interior. It doesn't look and feel cheap at all. It feels premium. For this price, I feel like it's on par with Nio or Audi. Maybe even looks and feels better than Audi. The Germans, they should be worried. I'm not kidding. Check something here. There is a slight echo. If I close this, because the glass tends to reflect higher frequencies. You see? So when I close this, then I should have, yeah, better acoustics. So it's not only about acoustics, it's about shading. Very nice to have all this. And then here you can adjust lots of stuff. Yeah, I like this layout where you have different categories, and then you have also some sub-menus there. Yeah, connection sound. It seems similar to other cars, but yeah, do you have pull down here? No pull down. Do you have a side pull? No, okay. HVAC here. Yeah, fragrance. Oh, they have, huh? Wait, think about this, you get all this feature. Yeah, maintains cabin temperature below, that is cabin overheat protection. You know, so they have lots of cool stuff, big screen, not too cluttered infotainment, some buttons here. But I think that's going to be it. A quick impression of the Zeekr 0X. This is the first time I've seen it. And also, as usual, on purpose, I have not watched other people's reviews, so I might have missed out on some details, but also my impressions are not colored by other people's reviews. So to be honest, I'm actually quite impressed of how they made the interior. It looks and feels nice. And for this price, with that charging speed, it's going to be a winner. We need to test how efficient it is and how it works. Possibly also during winter. We'll see. But that's going to be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.